How to connect IntelliJ with GitHub. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how you can connect IntelliJ with GitHub. So in first, we will walk you through the entire setup process from configuring your GitHub account inside the IntelliJ to cloning a repository. Or even you can push your code directly from the IDE. So once it is connected, you will be able to clone GitHub repository straight into your IntelliJ. You can push your code changes without just a few clicks, and you can manage branches, commits, and merges as well, all without ever leaving your editor. So let's get started. First thing first, what you have to do is download this IntelliJ. So I'm assuming that you have downloaded this IntelliJ and open your editor. So for the example, right now I don't have any project. So what I'm going to do is just simply use this demo project. So this is a demo project and we will try to push this. Now what you have to do is click on this button. From here you have to find this settings. Now from here you will not find the setting, I guess. Okay, in the file you have to go to settings. Let's first quickly connect our GitHub with IntelliJ. Now in the setting you have to find this version control. Just simply open this version control, and if you scroll down a little bit, you will find the GitHub. Now, right now I have already connected an account, so I don't need to connect, but let me just minus this and add one more, add again, just to sake of this tutorial. Now, something will look like if you are a first time user. Just click on this add account. Now choose login via GitHub, and it will redirect you to on your browser. So it will ask you to authorize in GitHub. So just simply click on this authorize in GitHub. So it will authorize the IntelliJ to access your GitHub. Now let's move back and click on the OK. Now let's go and create a repository, new repository. So go to your GitHub, and from there you have to click on this new button to create new repository. Just for the tutorial and creating new repository, you can push whatever you want into your existing repository as well. Now I will give whatever you want name. Now this is just for example, you don't need to put this name. Add a description. Then if you want to choose a public or private, it's your choice. I'm choosing the private. Now click on this create repository. And then after that, you will be prompted to this page where you have to find this URL, this one. You have to copy this URL and then get back to your IntelliJ IDE. Let me just copy this and get back to our repository. Now let's open and create new project, and just for the tutorial, click on this new button, and after that it will ask you to click on the project. Now from here I will choose add a demo, choose this type Melon, and hit the next button. So it's giving me error because I have to choose this one. And then okay, by default I am not able to. Now let me create another project. Now click on the next. Now from here, make sure you have enabled this Spring Web. So you can build web including RESTful or application using Spring MVC. Now click on the create after enabling that, and I will choose this window. I'll wait for a few seconds. Now from the top right, you will find this structure. Now from the top, you will find this demo or whatever your project name is. Now what you have to do is click on this clone repository, and whatever, for example, I want to clone this, and from here you will be find a lot of repository if you want to clone that. Now let's say I want to clone this charming whisper contact, and click on this clone. It will clone that specific repository directly into your IntelliJ. So this is how you can connect your GitHub with the IntelliJ. So if you found this video or tutorial helpful and informative, then subscribe to the channel and let me show you how you can do that. And if you want to commit these things, let's say click on this scan, and if you want to pull request or if you want to uh, make changes over here, you can do that because we already connected our repository. And let's say if you want to commit, just simply click on the commit and click on the commit. So this is how you can do, and this is how you can copy. So let me check again. So before you are doing something, so before click on this Git and search for, if you find GitHub, click on this GitHub. And if you want to view a pull request or create a pull request, just simply click on this create pull request. Then after that, I guess you have to paste this link. So by the way, I will not go into that. It will make video along. So this is how you can do, and this is how you can clone any repository directly into your IntelliJ. So if you found this video helpful, then subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.